Okay, if you got a tractor with a 3-point hitch, what you do is purchase you one of these triangle looking things. It has a receiver just like your pickup, which means you can install many different things, including have one made or make one yourself, one of these. Of course, the pin would go into the hole here to lock it in place. It's on both ends, so you can use it with many things. That's a receiver that this would slide into. This is just something I came up with for the garden. Also, most of this stuff you can buy, you can get this online. It's made for a 4-wheeler, but it uses, guess what? Receiver. So you can hook it up, it's fairly cheap. Also, off subject, this is my welding hammer to chip the slag. I welded on a broken bolt cutter jaw. So now it does not deform itself when you're pecking. There might be some danger of shredding, or you don't want to hit too hard with this because it's very strong metal and it might shatter. Here's another look at this grater blade. So it's got left and right. It would be easy to make one of these with a section that could be turned, and a locking bolt inserted, so you could angle the grater blade one side down further than the other. You could do it with their 3-point hitch adjustments. You have some adjustments that would also work. Anyway, that's about all I got.